Hey friends, so are you looking for an AI video platform which can help you create your YouTube videos? Well, very recently I have discovered this amazing platform which can help you create your YouTube videos in no time. It's an AI intuitive platform which gives you incredible video formats, all pre-done, all ready templates. All you have to do is think of your journal, think of your script. It can help you create your entire video with the help of AI, and also you can customize the video manually yourself. So it's an amazing platform. Let's dive in and check out. I'll see you inside.
Hey friends, hi. So if you're looking for a AI video making platform which can help you with your YouTube videos, check out this platform called renderforest. This is an amazing platform I recently discovered for creating your videos easily with pre-done templates. So it has some amazing templates which can help you to create your YouTube videos. Let's deep dive into this platform. Now, if you click on this link above, there are various sections in which you can create animations, intros, video editing, slideshows, music visualizations, presentations. So let's click on animations. Right. So as you come over here, as you can see, there are many animation video templates. These are all pre-done templates. All you have to do is select the one which works as per your script and you can start editing them. So for example, if you're looking at creating YouTube videos, they have some pretty focused templates for YouTube videos. Let's say I go over here into video editing. Right. So right here you have this section called YouTube videos. I click on YouTube videos. Right. So as you can see, they have various templates for making YouTube videos. So if you want to make a quick YouTube intro video, so you can, all you have to do is select this template. Yeah. And if I were to play this, the kind of template this is. It's just loading. So it's all done up. All you have to do is change your logo. So if you want to create an intro, all you have to do is click on create now. As you click on this, you'll get the editable entire timeline, and you can easily make an intro, YouTube intro video using this template. So likewise, there are various other templates which can help you with your YouTube videos. So if you want to make, this is another one for making a YouTube channel intro. So let's see if you want to make a channel intro. So you can select this and let me play this. So it's all ready. All you have to do is let's say I click on create now, and it will open the editable interface. So where all I have to do is insert my media. Yeah, as you can see, it's all up here. All you have to do is select over here, upload your videos, and it will show up on this template. So as easy as that. There are various different slides on which you can put up your videos and easily create an channel intro video using this template. So that's how easy it is. It hardly takes any time. I mean, you can get it done in next 15-20 minutes. So that's how amazing this platform is. So if I go click back on YouTube videos, So then if you want to create a YouTube end screen pack, they have very good pack for this. YouTube outros, YouTube channel promotion, YouTube promotion. So check them out. I mean, you can really make some amazing videos using these tools. They are all ready, all done up, very intuitive, very flexible, and easily you can keep creating your videos for your channel. And apart from this, there are various other templates which you can use. If I go to animation videos, if you want to create let's say an explainer animation video, so there are various different styles: 3D, 2D, explainer, business presentation. So maybe if I just click on one of the, let's say if you want to create some 3D explainer video, so they have tons of templates for explainer video, a lot of characters, very interesting, which you can very easily edit and create. So let's say if I play this one to give you an preview. Yeah, so all of these characters are ready and ready for your use and very easy to use. All the scenes are done up, as you can see over here. Very interesting toolkits to get your videos done. These kind of characters and these kind of elements, it's all there. All you have to do is click on create now, and as you click on create now tab, you come inside this interface where they have various other more templates. You just gotta select what kind of script and video you want to make. Let's say if you want to make any success story video, construction company video, you want to create an happy birthday animated greeting, anything. We've got everything covered over here for your product and services. If you want to make a consulting video, so you select here and you can start editing your video easily with all the characters done up. And they also have this very interesting feature called type your story. So if you got your whole script ready, all you have to do is upload your script over here, and the tool will auto generate all the scenes based on your story. So this is once again an amazing tool in renderforest. So check this out and you can start creating your videos in no time. So yeah, let me go to the home screen. So this is how it is, and they have various other formats for logos. You can create some very good logo animations, which you can create 3D logos. You can create particle animated logos, high-tech logos. There are various different logo styles you can create. So some amazing logos you can create using different styles which are over here. And then if you want to make slideshow videos, so they have a lot of slides available, like corporate slideshow videos, happy birthday, or wedding slideshow videos, real estate slideshow if you're doing real estate for your clients, with various templates for real estate. Presentations, if you're doing presentations for your clients, like corporate, so they have various templates for corporate videos, educational videos if you want to create. So they have tons of templates around educational videos. So basically, if you're looking at doing videos for YouTube channel, this platform is super. I have been creating my videos for past about a year on renderforest, and it takes no time and really make some very effective videos. So yeah, that's what I wanted to showcase. And they have some pretty cost-effective plans. If you want to upgrade and you want to take a paid service, they also have a free plan where you can get started for free and you can create your videos for free. So they have this plan. You can sign up and start making your videos. Then they have this different plan wherein you can subscribe, which is called Lite, which is about 900 rupees a month. Then they have increased storage, 720 HD 720 videos, Then you have Pro, which is 1699, which has 30 GB storage, and you can create full HD videos. Then they have this 2499 plan where they have 50 GB storage, and you can have 4K videos done up over here, and you can even create your own website. So they have these different plans, and you can get started with free and start working and creating videos. So yeah, I mean, that's it. So hope this video gave you some good insights about this tool. I've given the link if you want to sign up and start. I've given the sign up link in the description of this video. You can go over there and start create your account and start working on this platform. So thank you. Signing off for now. Thank you. Bye.